Today we have something truly extraordinary for you. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a luxury vehicle. It's an entire world of opulence, performance, and comfort on wheels. The Maybach name has always been associated with the highest level of craftsmanship. And when combined with the practicality of a motorhome, it creates a masterpiece designed for those who want to travel without sacrificing even a single bit of luxury. Let's explore this rolling palace in detail. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is a sight to behold. The exterior design takes the bold, elegant lines of the Maybach sedan and reimagines them on a much larger scale. The signature chrome grille dominates the front, featuring the iconic Maybach emblem, while sleek LED matrix headlights add a futuristic touch. The body is sculpted with smooth aerodynamic contours, which not only enhance its road presence but also improve efficiency for such a large vehicle. High-gloss paint finishes with customizable, two-tone color schemes make it stand out as a symbol of wealth and refinement. Massive 22-inch alloy wheels with Maybach's unique multi-spoke design ensure it commands attention from every angle. The rear is equally impressive, with full-width LED taillights, chrome detailing, and an integrated power liftgate for easy access to storage. Moving inside, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is where the magic truly happens. Step through the automatic sliding door, and you are welcomed into a world that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Every inch is crafted with premium materials, Napa leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, crystal accents, and soft ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The front cabin retains the advanced tech and comfort you'd expect from Maybach, with ergonomic captain's chairs that can be heated, cooled, and massaged. In the living area, you'll find a spacious lounge with plush reclining seats, a 55-inch OLED smart TV, and a state-of-the-art Burmester 3D surround sound system for a cinematic experience on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, a convection oven, and a refrigerator with a wine cooler. A marble-finished countertop and gold-trimmed cabinets add that extra touch of extravagance. The dining space transforms easily into a work desk, perfect for those who want to mix business with leisure while traveling. The bedroom area offers a king-size bed with memory foam mattress and silk bedding, ensuring restful nights no matter where you park. There's also a luxury ensuite bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror with integrated lighting and display controls. Every feature inside is operated via a central touchscreen or through voice command, making it as advanced as it is luxurious. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is powered by a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This setup delivers around 550 horsepower, ensuring smooth yet powerful performance even when fully loaded. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts effortlessly, while the adaptive air suspension provides a cloud-like ride. Despite its size, the motorhome is remarkably stable thanks to advanced stability, control, and all-wheel drive, making long journeys both safe and comfortable. Noise insulation is top-tier, ensuring the cabin remains whisper-quiet, even at highway speeds. In terms of technology, this motorhome is equipped with the latest Mercedes MBUX infotainment system, complete with augmented reality navigation, over-the-air updates, and seamless smartphone integration. Safety is equally prioritized, with autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, a 360-degree camera system, lane-keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Now, let's talk pricing. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at around $1.2 million, with customization options pushing that price well beyond $1.5 million. Buyers can personalize every detail, from the color schemes and interior materials to exclusive bespoke features. For those who can afford it, this isn't just a purchase, it's a statement of ultimate travel luxury.